Hello everyone, we have Tanushi ma'am here, HOD of Fashion Designing Department. This year's JDD, you're one of the mentors for the students or the designers. As a mentor, you mentor the kids in a proper way so that they can get to the collection or the idea they had about the theme. So at what time do you stop yourself from mentoring and just let them choose what they want to do?
So it's always we let them do what they want to do. So initially when they start with the themes, they have a freedom of choosing whatever they want. It's just we will give them certain guidance on what is wrong, what is right, what would be the better. We never force them to do anything. But there are certain times when we have to do that as well. But then that is all because there will be some challenges that they will be facing and they really don't know how to go about it. Otherwise, it's all their concepts, their ideologies and techniques that they.
As a mentor, you would give suggestions and criticism to students or the designers. So how do you think the students take the criticism, and how do you think you give the criticism in a way they don't think that it's bad?
Yeah,
for the
so
thing?
to be frank, I feel I am one of the softest mentors.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how they take it. But then initially we always have a very soft approach. But then later, okay, we will have to screw them a little bit because it is all about timelines that they have to follow. So criticisms are important at certain point of time. We don't want to pressurize them because yes, they are going through their academics, they have their classes happening, they have other subjects, they have other submissions. But it's all how we are telling them, okay, this is not right, or how we are suggesting them this could be better if you are doing it in some other manner. So we always handle it in that way. We'll give them an option. We'll give them, okay, you can try this out, or you can just go through this technique. That's how we always give them.
That's very nice. There must be few students who came up with ideas or themes about the collection which are not practical yet to be done on the ramp. So how would you suggest them that this is not what should be? They should change it up a bit.
Yeah, this time we had a lot of students who are really, they had ideas which are very conceptual. They wanted to showcase it in a very avant-garde manner. So there are times when they come up with designs which are really hard. As design mentors, as technical mentors, we know it will be a little difficult for them when it comes to the execution part of it. We tell them, okay, this is how it will be, and then we'll ask them to come up with a prototype or a toy, which will be a sample sort of a thing that they are creating. And then probably they will go through the entire journey themselves and they'll get to know, okay, what are the pros and cons of the designs. And that's how they learn.
It was so nice talking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.